This meeting of G7 leaders in Cornwall will be the first time in 2 years that the group have been able to meet in person after pandemic restrictions put a stop to last year's plans. And there is a lot to discuss, from pandemic recovery to climate and equality, across 3 days of talks that start on Friday. But this meeting is unusual because, as well as the core members of the G7 attending, the UK, France, Germany, Canada, the US, Japan and Italy, as hosts of the summit, the UK has invited leaders from Australia, India, South Korea and South Africa to join as guests too. Prime Minister Boris Johnson says he will use the UK's G7 presidency to unite leading democracies to help the world fight and then build back better from coronavirus and create a greener, more prosperous future. When it comes to South Africa, diplomats say this invitation is a reflection of the importance of the nation in terms of global standing. And as South Africa's President Cyril Ramaphosa prepares to travel to the UK, he's sending out a message that would agree with that, saying South Africa can hold its head high among the community of nations because we remain a country, he says, that is free and united and determined to succeed. A number of bilateral meetings will be held between the President and other leaders, including US President Joe Biden. These meetings and other talks that take place to the side of the main summit agenda will be seen as an opportunity to try to build the case for greater investment in South Africa, promote the nation as a partner for development too. But with the coronavirus pandemic also high on everyone's list of priorities, it's also an opportunity to try to build greater support for a temporary waiver of intellectual property rights on COVID-19 vaccines to help push for equitable access to jabs and allow countries to manufacture their own. And this is something that the South African government has been pushing for. Makin-Isherwood, SABC News, London.